Thursday. Good morning, Thursday. Hope everybody's having a great day. Welcome to today's edition of the Daily Market Commentary. I'm your host, Chuck Fulkerson. We're going to take a look at the markets today. I'm a little later than normal in releasing the commentary because I was waiting for something to happen in the market this morning. I got up a few hours ago and said, maybe there's not a whole lot happening. Maybe I'll just wait a little bit. Nope, not a whole lot going on. Today's one of those days where, you're not forced to trade. Don't fight it if it's not there. Let's take a look at yesterday's movements and then what may happen for today. So yesterday we talked about the fact that there was really nothing to do unless we got below this 44.37 or above this 44.82. Now we did get below 44.37, but once we got below 44.37, we then just kind of stalled and died. And so what happened is it just kind of expanded our range that we were stuck in. Now we did have a news-driven movement later in the day, but it drove us right back up to this 44.82. So now that area of resistance does still stand firm as a level to pay attention to. We've got the demand below us down here on a 15-minute chart. This little wick area here that could theoretically be used for more of a day trade kind of scalp opportunity if you're so inclined. But I feel like you'd be forcing most of the trades inside this region. I just don't feel like there's a lot in here to look at. The S&P gives us that, and so does the NASDAQ, right? The NASDAQ, we came close to here yesterday, didn't get in, need to remove it. I'm just not getting a lot of great tradable opportunities today. So I'm going to leave these breakouts above current price in. I think those are both valuable levels that if we get basing in front of the level, you may get a tradable opportunity, but it may not happen. It may not come today. And we're, just kind of chopping along sideways. So when that happens, don't force trades. Don't go out there looking for trouble. Let trouble find you is a better way to think about it. So I would say that in the equities markets today, don't force a trade if one isn't there. When I move over to the energies and metals, starting with crude oil, we did actually get a really nice reversal off of our crude oil confirmation. So if anybody was able to take this and take it for a ride yesterday, that was the exact trade that we looked at yesterday. It was a breakout above here where we did get a bit of basing before the breakout, and then a very nice move up. We came halfway into this level and then sold off. So it wound up being a really good day for those of you that trade crude, because the confirmation entry did give us a bit of an opportunity. Now we have seen that on our contract rollover, we gapped down a bit. On our 4-hour chart, we are definitely showing that slowing of momentum. I got a lower swing low right here and a little bit of a lower swing high. So if you want to go short, I'm okay with a short trade at this point. The best level is, in my mind, this area right here, because I've got this wick over wick below a pivot high. On a 15-minute chart, you have another wick over wick right in here. So I'm okay with either one. Remember, those are from yesterday's level, but we're, from a previously traded contract. And so if you're so inclined, you could look at just the J22 and just say, okay, well, where are we on just that contract? And if you're just using that contract, we see this area right in here that we're coming close to corresponds with the 15-minute level that we just identified. So we are coming close to where I think you could see a pretty decent reversal in crude oil. Now, looking at this on a bigger time period, remember I said on a weekly chart, I'm looking for a reversal candlestick pattern. Look what appears to be forming. A little bit of a reversal candlestick pattern does appear to be forming. So remembering that there's some big supply over there to the left, let's see if we can get a decent pullback out of that area. Looking at gold for today, we've rallied. We broke out to the upside, came into some 15-minute areas and stalled giving us really no good movement in there on those 15-minute levels, but the upside breakout was pretty strong. We've now come to an hourly supply level, which put more time on my chart here. An hourly supply level, which was formed way back here and is a little bit of a wick over wick below a pivot high. That being said, in our upward trend, all right, our strong upward trend does indeed continue. It has to be a confirmation, and we've come close to it without getting in. So in my mind, I'm going to remove it. I just don't feel like there's a lot of positive opportunities in there. Here you've got a good area of demand that was created right around the London Open. So that's actually a really good level, a really good opportunity. And if you want to be a bit more aggressive, you can look to this area right here, which was just formed for a day trade entry. So I think we're getting a little bit more opportunity in commodities today than we are in equities. If I take a real quick look at crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum did break out, broke out down, did not make it all the way to the demand area, unfortunately, and then rallied back up and retested. So it's also, that's a technical trading term, by the way, is that I don't really see a lot of great trades and opportunities. I looked at the euro as another opportunity, and the euro thinking about a confirmation long out of here. However, on last night about 9 o'clock, we blew right through it with no clear entry, and so also trading sideways. Today is a great day to explore your other hobbies. That's what today is. Today's a great day to explore your other hobbies and to think about what are some other things that I might be looking into today, because I don't feel like today's a great trading day. There's nothing that says you have to trade each day, and keep that in mind. So, all right, well, that's all I have for today, everybody. I will be back tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, as always, send us an email, support@tradersarmy.com. Talk to you soon. See ya.
Hey, thanks for joining us. If you like what we do, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's the only way the computers know that you're actually alive and really care. And go to tradersarmy.com today to learn a bit more. And if you want to see some of our other videos, click here in the box.